Hey everyone, welcome back to TIWIT, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into one of the most intense challenges ever staged by Mr. Beast, the $500,000 last to leave circle wins. If you haven't seen it yet, trust me, you're in for a treat. But more importantly, let's break down what we can learn from this epic showdown. First up, the challenge itself. Imagine standing in a circle with 99 other contestants, knowing that stepping out means instant elimination. The last person standing wins a jaw-dropping $500,000. Picture the tension, the strategy, the sheer willpower needed to outlast everyone else. Now, why does this matter? This challenge is a masterclass in endurance and strategy. Contestants had to balance their physical stamina with mental resilience. From dodgeball games to airsoft shooting, Mr. Beast threw in mini challenges to keep everyone on their toes and ramp up the difficulty. It's not just about standing still, it's about adapting and outsmarting your competition. Next, let's talk alliances and strategy. Forming alliances can be a game changer. Contestants teamed up to build towers and compete in a potato counting competition, but here's the twist. Trust is a double-edged sword. Betrayals and broken alliances added layers of psychological warfare, highlighting the importance of both teamwork and individual cunning. And what about the human element? This video isn't just a display of physical endurance, it's an emotional roller coaster. Contestants faced sleep deprivation, psychological stress, and emotional highs and lows. There were moments of sportsmanship, family involvement, and pure human grit that made this more than just a game. It was a test of character. High production value played a significant role too. With multiple camera angles, drone shots, and slick editing, the video keeps you hooked from start to finish. This level of production not only enhances the viewing experience, but also underscores the importance of quality and content creation. And finally, the winner, Gio. Gio stood out with his strategic thinking, endurance, and a bit of luck. His journey is a testament to the fact that success often comes from a mix of preparation, adaptability, and persistence. He didn't just survive the circle, he mastered it. So, what can we take away from this? Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or just someone looking to improve your own endurance and strategy in life, there are valuable lessons here. Endurance, adaptability, strategic alliances, and high-quality production can make the difference between success and failure. That's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more engaging content. What did you learn from Mr. Beast's challenge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next one. Stay epic. This is what I think the TIWIT way. Take a look at my other videos. Give me a chance.